Okay, this is the Lowman procedure, and in order to remember that, I have Rob Lowe here from the show Parks and Rec, and he is low to the ground, so he's the low man. Rob Lowe is low to the ground, so he's the low man. Okay, and what it is essentially it's an arthrodesis of the Naviculocuneiform joint with a Tibialis anterior tendon transfer. Okay, so let's go through it. First, you're going to do a plantar closing wedge osteotomy of the Naviculocuneiform joint, as you see on the left. Then on the right, you can see that the tibialis anterior was cut, rerouted through that osteotomy site, and then you fuse that wedge together. Okay, so now the tibialis anterior is an active dorsiflexor more proximally, dorsiflexing the arch. The Naviculocuneiform joint is fused more in plantar flexion to support that sagittal plane correction. And then a portion of the PT tendon, or the tibialis anterior tendon there, is rerouted over Rob Lowe's head, as you can see. And that tendon is going to fibrose and scar down into essentially a ligament to support the spring ligament. Okay? And you insert that onto the calcaneus. And then finally, of course, you can do an Achilles tendon lengthening. Okay, so it's Rob Lowe, he's the low man. You're going to fuse the Naviculocuneiform joint in plantar flexion, transfer the tibialis anterior through that osteotomy, and then augment the spring ligament with a portion of that tendon as well. And that's it, the Lowman procedure.